Okay, we know that you do sound effects and character voices in your comedy. Can you do a sound effect for a little toy car?
I'm like, a toy car. I got this.
Can you put spice on that?
They want me to put an accent on a sound effect. I was like, I don't know. Varoom.
Okay, can you give me some more?
I am so frustrated. I'm so annoyed. I'm ready to walk out of there. So I grab the microphone and I do this. As I'm taking off the headphones, she looks at me. She goes,
Perfect.